Rapid fire answers coming your way. What's today's burning question? Let's find out.
Feeling anxious about your baby's kicks or hiccups? These movements show your baby is active and healthy. Calm yourselves by taking deep, slow breaths and focusing on their rhythm. If you notice a sudden drop in activity, contact your healthcare provider. Trust your body. These little kicks are a natural part of pregnancy.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.